Highway 1 is famous for ocean views, but here in Big Sur, the road disappears beneath a cathedral of redwoods. We are continuing north through the Big Sur River Valley, near the forested corridor surrounding Pfeiffer Big Sur State Park. Dense coastal vegetation closes around the highway, turning this celebrated coastal route into a quiet woodland drive. Small driveways appear between the trees, serving homes, cabins, and retreats hidden along the Big Sur Valley. The narrow curves and limited sightlines remind drivers to slow down and take this shaded section of Highway 1 carefully. Here we pass one of the roadside lodging and camping areas that make the Big Sur River corridor a popular base for travelers. Away from the exposed coast, the valley holds more moisture, allowing redwoods and other tall trees to thrive beside the road. The tallest trunks rise almost straight out of the roadside, creating one of the most distinctive driving environments in Big Sur. As we continue north, the forest begins to open, revealing the hills and changing landscape beyond the redwood canopy. This quick transition from deep forest to sunlit slopes is part of what makes California Highway 1 so varied. Oak woodland and coastal scrub gradually replace the densest redwoods as the road climbs away from the river valley. Ahead, Highway 1 continues north through Big Sur toward Carmel, with more overlooks, state parks, and historic landmarks still to come. This is 7080 Working Diary. See you on the next road. Goodbye.